Hi, we're back, and I'm Luke, and that's Boba Fett, but you can't see his head. I know, it's because I'm standing up on this stupid thing, whatever it is. Why am I on this stupid thing? You're the one that always designs this stuff. It's another lab. You said you wanted to be able to go up and down. Oh, yeah, you're right. What do I have to do now? Uh, Maybe just bend over a bit so everyone can see your helmet. Okay. This is really uncomfortable, by the way. What do I have to do? Well, you're gonna have to jump off that thing. What? You're gonna have to jump off. You see, what we're gonna do actually is, well, I got the WeTime app, and I'm gonna record the time it takes for you to jump off that thing and then land on the ground. And then I can actually use the fundamental kinematics equations to predict the time that it would take. It's not that complicated. We can actually use the second kinematic equation, and I can really predict the time that it will take. So you're saying I don't actually have to jump off this thing? You could just like do the physics? Well, yeah. Then why am I doing this? Why aren't you doing this? I'm always the one that has to do all the stuff. Why don't you do the stuff once in a while? Because you're really good at it. And you got all that armor. And the big red missile thing on your back will protect you. I have a missile on my back? Yeah, you do, but it doesn't, they stopped it from, it used to be that you could kind of press it and it would squirt out and it'd be cool, but then they decided that was dangerous, so they just glued it in. So it's just kind of this big red missile on your back. You should look in a mirror one day. You'd see it. But your armor will protect you, so don't worry. You'll be fine. I'm feeling a little anxious. You're not anxious, you're just excited. There's a difference. And it's not that big of a deal. It's like 2 meters. It's nothing. You'll be fine. You'll just be fine. I'll tell you when to go. I'm going to start the WeTime app, and I'm going to record the time that it takes for you to jump down the bottom, and then I'm going to do the calculation, and we'll compare the 2 times, and it will be so cool. Alright. Are you going to give me a countdown again? Yes, I will. You ready? I guess. 3, 2, 1, jump! Oh, I hate this job. Ow. That really hurt. It did not. Yes, it did. You're being overly dramatic. You're just fine. I can tell. And I can tell you that I just did the calculation and compared it to the time on the WeTime, and they are in beautiful agreement. So physics works. I'm glad. You get to do the next stupid thing that Aiden wants us to do. I'm done with this. Well, I'm not saying I will, but I'm being open-minded. So, we'll see.